3 of the One Room Challenge, and this week is all about the paint. Adleigh's room was originally Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore. I love this color. It is a great color. It is a great neutral, but it's the One Room Challenge, so we're going bold. We decided that 2 of her walls were going to be black when we first started our design plans, which you can see up here. Well, plans changed, and we ended up painting 2.5 of her walls. You'll see what I mean by half of wall later on. Then the other wall and a half, I guess you could say, is a light purple color, which I'm going to share in a little bit. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. It is amazing what a little paint can do to completely transform a room. For this painting project, we used a new to us product by Wagner. This product is called the Smart Edge Roller, and it was a game changer when it came to cutting around the trim, the baseboards, and the ceilings. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Smart Edge Roller by Wagner and give you a peek at Adleigh's amazing paint transformation.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips. So last week we decluttered Adleigh's bedroom, and if you want to watch that video, there's a link right above. So we had to take a good look at the walls. Because these walls are going to be black, we had to make sure that all of the walls look smooth. We patched all of the holes in the walls, and then once they were patched, we had to sand and clean off the walls so that they were ready to paint. Now that the walls are all prepped for paint, we can get the paint can open. And for her black walls, we went with Black Satin by Benjamin Moore. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint the trim, and we are using Wagner Smart Edge Roller. First, remove the roller head and put on the paint sucker piece. That's the one that you kind of like suck up all the paint into the roller. Dip that into your paint can and pull the bottom up so that your roller fills with paint. Once it's full, remove the sucker head and put on the roller. Once you have the roller head back on, use the pump on the side to get the roller filled with paint. It's going to take a little bit of time the very first time you do it, so just give yourself a second. Once you see the paint coming through, then we found it really helpful to use a big chunk of the wall to kind of even it out onto the roller. Once the paint is ready to be evenly dispersed among everything on the roller, then you can start cutting around your windows, your baseboards, your ceiling. Use the yellow tab on the roller as your guide. That will keep the paint from getting all over the trim. Once you get going, you will find the Smart Edge Roller by Wagner so easy to use that it will make transforming any room a piece of cake. Okay, now I'm sure you want to know what half wall we ended up painting black satin. Well, it is around her closet wall. Because she has a little bump out closet, we have a little alcove where her door is, so we decided to paint around her closet black satin as well. Then the remaining walls we painted Rock Harbor Violet by Benjamin Moore. Enjoyed watching? Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.